So our mezzanine is actually 120 metres by 100 metres, so it totals about 28,000 square metres of mezzanine. But the building is far more substantial than that, it's about 500 metres long. Due to the size of the job, what we've had to do is phase the project into 14 phases of steelwork. That allows us to follow on the decking pretty much straight away once the steelwork's in place. And then once the decking's in, the follow-on trades can start, the sprinklers, the electricians, the data cabling. That just allows the project to proceed as we proceed with our build. There's shelving going on the mezzanine and also some conveyor systems running through the mezzanine and around the perimeter. During the design stage, we overlay all the conveyor drawings, the shelving drawings, just to ensure that there's no clashes with columns, with bracing, and we're working on quite a tight tolerance with the conveyor system. I think we've only got up to about 40 mil. We actually did some checks last week. We found we was 8 mil out, over 120 metres. That's way within tolerance. The overall build is about 18 weeks. We're 12 weeks in, and another 2 weeks, all the steelwork will be complete. We're actually ahead of schedule, and the client's over the moon. The guys have done a great job, and they should be proud of themselves, because I'm definitely proud to be part of it.